Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see what is the multi-row card in Power BI. In the previous tutorial, we have seen like text card, number card and the date card. So in this tutorial, we will see what is the multi-row card in the Power BI. So like agenda of this tutorial is same, like we are going to understand like multi-row cards, and we will do some formatting over this, and we will do some filter over this multi-row card. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So this was the page where we worked in the last tutorial, like we were showing the date and the like relative date, some filter we have done over this, and here also like we have taken the table and based on that we were showing some data. So what I will do, I will add another sheet here, and now what we will do, I will take first, let's take one text, like this is the card, normal card, and here what I will do, I want to show some segment. So here we can see like at a time it is showing only one segment called channel partners. Now after this what I will take, here beside this one you can see multi-row card. So I will take this one here, and in this multi-row card what I will do, I will take this segment here as well, and when I will select this segment, we can see whatever the segment available over this, all are showing here. And with the segment, if I want the profit also, I can see here, and with this profit, if I want to see the product name also, I can show the product name. So it is showing the all detail, like let's expand it, and based on that it is showing the data, like multi data we can show, but with the card only we can show one record, but with multi-row card we can show the we can see the multiple records. So let's get rid of this product. What we will do, we will do some operation over this like segment and the profit, and like currently the text is not showing properly, so we can do the formatting, like you can play with the formatting like based on that. So these are the common things. So what I will do over this card, here I will increase the font size. So let's this is a bar thickness. So if I want to increase the bar thickness, so in that way we can do, and some filter if we want to do, we can do over this one, like that is the card title. Where is that? So let's click on this, and here if I want to increase the text size, we can increase the text size. So when we will increase this, it will showing the text better. And here what I will do, like now I want to show, I want to do some filter over this, and here what I want to show, I want to show like in the normal card we were showing only the, like let's take an example for here also, like I will do the segment, like I want the segment name which has the highest profit, that I want to show. So what I will do for that, in this normal card here I will take the segment, and obviously we have to give the top n, this is the filter, and I want top one, and for which one we have to take for the profit. So when I will select the profit and apply filter, we will see government is the first segment which has highest profit, but with the normal card we can give, can take only top one, because here it show only the one data. But with this like multi-row card, what I can do, same operation I will do here. Let's take the segment, and here basic filter I will give the top n, and let's take first only one, and here based on the profit, if I will select here and I will apply filter, here also it will give the government, so that is fine. But now there is a requirement, instead of the top one I want like top three. Let's give it here 3 and apply filter, so it will give the top 3 records. So we can see all the top 3 records here. So these kind of scenario we use the multi-row card. Now what I will take here like pie chart. Sorry, here I clicked on this. So like if you want to take another chart, so first you have to click outside, otherwise it will override that only. So let's take this pie chart, and here what I will do, I will take the country name, and based on the country I want to take the profit. So in the values I have to take the profit. So now let's take this one here, and now based on the country, let's see what all are the profit and the segment. So when I will click on this France, we can see value is changing based on this. If I will click on this Germany data, based on that the data is changing. So these all are interrelated, and we can see the data with respect to this. So that's all about multi-row multi-row card in the Power BI. So related to this, if you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.